It was you. Something told me it was you. Something told me it was. Something told me it was you. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Tightrope by ZAYN. Alright, so this is a very easy song. We're going to be playing this in basic chords. Make sure your guitars are started tuning in, but put your cap on fret number 4. Okay, so the basic chords are if, it was you, if, and then C. And my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. If you want to play the original, I'm basically playing an E minor, right? So you plug 6, 5, 4 real quick on E minor. No, it's actually 6, 4, 3 real quick. And then you go to the third, and then on the third string you play. So that's, and then you go to 2. So that's 2 on your third string, and then you slide to fret number 5 on strings 3 and 2. Okay, so 2, so on your third string you're sliding strings fret 4 to 5, and then on the second you're sliding fret 3 to 5. Okay, so 4, 5, and then 3, 5, same time. So that's E, and then you go to C. So this is actually an E, but we want this to be open, so you just play it as an E minor. Anyways, that's been it for this video, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I was using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description below. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.